Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be vlogging bits and pieces. I don't know exactly what, but I'm probably going to be washing my car because it is disgusting and it's finally nice out for me to wash it. So yeah, I just got done work, and yeah, she needs to be cleaned. She looks shiny right now, but she's a disaster. So I am deciding what scent I want to put in her. So I'm deciding out on these. I might do watermelon lemonade or like a cupcake scent, but I don't really know what to put in. I love this scent. I need to get more. I wish I had that all year round, but okay, I think I'm gonna do the watermelon lemonade. I'll show you guys what I am wearing to do this. So let's get some shoes. My dollar shoes from Walmart. Yes. Okay. Okay. So just red shorts from, I don't know, PAWZ or something. My legs need a tan. And then this gym hangover shirt, little tank, because it's really nice out, so maybe I'll catch some sun. So let's go. I'm exhausted. It's been about, I don't know, 2 hours or so. So I washed it and then I cleaned it out and it was just a mess. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm exhausted. I need a drink. It's so warm out. I feel like I probably got burnt. I don't know. We'll see. My face is red. So she's washed. Oh, shiny, shiny. Oh, I'm exhausted. This is so good. All is bright, and then I have my, what was it? Lemonade, strawberry, something in there. So I am exhausted, and I also have some perfume in here. It's Sofia Vergara, her perfume, and then I also have some Cashmere Woods Glade spray, because that smell is amazing. And yeah, that's my steering wheel cover. I desperately need a new one because the gems came off. So it's from Walmart. If you're wondering, I have a 2014 or 15 Ford Focus. So yeah. Oh, I love this thing. Never drive faster than your guardian angel. Preach. I mean, you know. So yeah, I don't have too much in here. I have a pink blanket back there, a little hat back there that says no shade. And a New York Giants blanket. And yeah, I totally cleaned it out. I didn't vacuum or anything, so yeah. And there's my mount, and I don't really know how to use it. I feel like it always comes off when I use it. I got it from Big Lots. I don't know. Maybe I have to use this part, but yeah, if you have any good car vlogging things, let me know. And yeah, I need to put this away. This is broken. This has a hook in it, so it's probably gonna be going in the trash. So this car does have a sunroof, which is awesome. And if you have any car DIYs or tricks, let me know. I'll be sure to try it out because my car could use a little pop in to go with her. But yeah, I'm gonna go park her on the street now so my mom can go into the garage because, you know, she's a queen and she has to get the garage. And I gotta park on the street like a slave. Trying to save this blanket because struggles, and it's not mine, it's Michael's, but this is probably his hook, not me. Trying to get this out. I'm gonna talk to you guys really quick. So okay, we're gonna be getting close now. Hate my arms, but alright, yeah, we're just gonna try, but you might not be able to see my face, but it's okay. I don't know if you guys want to see my face, but you get built. So I was thinking to do more like vlogging and have you guys follow me around and things like that, because during the week I work 5:45 till 1:45, and I don't wear makeup during the week. I really don't. Most of the times when I wear makeup is on the weekends, and when I do like makeup tutorials, I end up taking it off like right after. So no makeup Whitney for this video because that's just life. That's just who I am. Yes, I still love makeup and stuff, but I also want you guys to see like real me, because I feel like, I don't know, like sitting behind a camera trying to do like a tutorial, you have to act all professional and things like that. When in vlogs, I can just be myself and connect and just let you guys in on who I am. Like this, I'm a mess. Do you see my dog? So I asked you guys on Instagram, if you're not following me, follow me. This looks like a psychopath, but follow me. I think it was like, might be still up. I think it was like 16 or so say yes to vlogs and stuff and be more like, you know, yourself. And then some, like I think it was like 3 or 4 said just keep doing makeup. It's gone. But so I'm gonna try it, and you guys gotta let me know if you like it. If you have any suggestions on what I should do or know how to approve and things like that. So today I just wanted to show you guys like a little bit of my life, my car. It's kind of what I spend a lot of time in. Not really. I'm a homebody. I definitely am. So you'll be able to like meet my family and see what I'm up to and things like that, because after work I have all day, and like I said, I don't want to throw on makeup all the time. It's just who I am. And this crazy hair, it's not always going to be done, and that's just real. And this blanket is struggling. So if you guys want me to keep, I don't even know if this at all makes sense, but if you guys want me to do more vlogs and is it lifestyle? Real videos, let me know. And I will keep doing them whether you want them on or not, because it's kind of like, if you think about it, vlogs are like home videos. Like, I used to love home videos and I still watch them. So it's always nice when you can look back on like years ago, and or your kids could see it if YouTube really does stick around that long. So yeah, but don't worry, there's still gonna be like makeup and stuff like that, but more lifestyle, everyday type thing. Got it. It's a disaster though, but it's out. It's out. Goodbye. Hello, long legs. Hello, little legs. Miss Diva. Hi, Diva. Hi, baby. Oh, you want a belly rub. She gets a haircut Saturday. She's gonna be a naked baby. You guys didn't know, I'm actually Candy Girl. Getting distracted by another dog. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. But yes, I have some guinea pigs. Can you hear them? What's up? Hello, babies. Haha. Hello. Hello, their little noses. Look at those noses. Okay, well, now we're really off track, but. Oh, if you wanted to know, we're gonna just go off topic again. I have OPI. What's it called? Focus. I can't even read if it's not focused. Susie Shops. And Heart Extreme. Sally Hansen. That's what it is. White on Z Nails. Anyway, if you guys didn't know, I am actually in school for doggy grooming. So I am learning clippers and scissors. So yeah. So one day they'll get me. Yeah. Okay. I have to read this. Maybe I'll read this outside. And also watch 2 videos, and then a video, and then I have to record a video for this, and yeah, maybe you'll guys see some things of dog grooming throughout these future vlogs, because I'm sure if you guys are going to know about my life, you're going to have to. I have so much hair. They call me the lion mane.